Good morning, students. I, Tripti Chanda, PRT Kendriya Vidyalaya, welcome you to online class organized by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Regional Office, Jabalpur. First, all of you ask, what is the name of your school? Yes, the name of your school is Kendriya Vidyalaya. Do you like to go to school? Of course, yes. How do you go to school? Maybe by bike, by taxi, by foot, by bus, by jeep, by car. Parents maybe drop and pick also, etc. ways. Do you know you have so many facilities, but there are so many students, so many children don't have such type of facilities. Despite this, they go to school. Now, today we will start the chapter of Environmental Science class 4th, first chapter, going to school. In this chapter, we will discuss different mode of transport, how people from different place to go to school. In Assam, that is the picture of Assam. In Assam, there is heavy rain. There are regular and heavy rain, so in that place the students have so many difficulties to go to school. Let's read. It rains so much where they live. Sometimes after the rain there is knee-high water. You just watch, knee-high, okay? Understand? The water is the knee-high, but that does not stop us from getting to school. They hold their books in one hand. You just see, they hold their books in one hand, and in another hand they hold their books in one hand and bamboo with the other. Okay. In other hand, bamboo with the other. They quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to reach school. I will show you another picture of bamboo bridge. Okay, you can see how sticks side by side cross the tight with rope. Okay, it is risky. So we can say that self-education is more important than other difficulties. Okay. This is map of India. Okay, this is the map of India. I will show you one state, Assam. This is the one of the state, Assam. Okay. Now, in this video, I have discussed the textbook questions and answer. But the answer are just for reference. Okay, it is only for reference, so you have to write your own answers. Don't need to write copy. Okay, the answer may vary from student to students based on their observation. Collect some bricks, lay them on the ground in a line shown in the picture. Try walking on them. Was it easy? It's like that? No. It is not so easy. Okay. Now make a small bridge by tying 4 and 5 bamboo poles together. Ask your teacher to help you. Now walk on the bridge. Nowadays, you don't try this. We all have to follow government rules due to lockdown and coronavirus. How did you feel? I was scared. It was difficult to walk on this. Yes. Did you fall down? No, I didn't fall down. If you walk like this is few times, you will start finding it easy. Okay. Do you think it would be easier to walk on this bridge barefoot or with shoes or slipper? Why? I think it would be easier to walk with barefoot. Barefoot means without slipper or shoes, as it prevents falling down. This is the picture of trolley in Ladakh. Okay, what is trolley? It is an open box made up of wood and attached with the iron rope. We can say it is thick iron rope. Yes, it is thick iron rope. We can say the thick iron rope which is tied across the river. So this rope holding this trolley. Okay. Now I will show another picture of trolley. Yes. This is pulley. Okay. This is pulley. It holds the trolley to move this one place to cross the move one place. This is cross the rope. Okay. This is another picture of trolley. You just watch how children go to school by using the trolley. Now, this is again I will show the map of India. Where is Ladakh? Here is Ladakh. Observe picture 1 and 2. In the picture, children are pulling the bucket from the well. Can you tell the difference in both the pictures? Which would be easier, using the pulley or not using the pulley? This is the picture 1, this is the picture 2. I again describe the pulley. Okay, using the pulley. What is pulley? The pulley, it is a simple machine and consisting of wheel and rope. Yes, consisting of wheel and rope. Okay, this is used for lifting heavy things. I will show the uses of pulley. Collect water from the wells, to lift heavy things. Elevator use multiple pulleys. Many types of exercise equipments uses pulleys. Cement bridge. We often need to go across some water bodies, so we use bridges. These are made of cement, bricks and iron rods. The bridge may also have steps. Yes, you can see that cement bridge, it will built over the river. Okay, built over the river, busy road and train, tunnels, etc. Now, difference between bamboo bridge and cement bridge. First I will say bamboo bridge. Bamboo bridge is built using bamboo poles and ropes, rather than cement bridge is built using cement, sand, stones and iron rods. Bamboo bridge is temporary, Cement bridge is permanent. It is not so strong, it is so strong. It is only used to walk across the river. It is used by men to walk, to carry loads and to move on vehicles. Okay. You have seen how children use different kinds of bridges to cross rivers and other uneven areas to reach school. If you had chance, which bridge would you like to use? Why? Naturally, we all like to use cement bridge because it is stronger and safer than the bamboo bridge. Find out from our grandparents what kind of bridge were they use when they were young. At that time, there were only bamboo bridge and wooden bridge. Okay? Is there any bridge near your house? Find out more about the bridge. Okay? Where is the bridge? Over water, over a road, between two mountains or somewhere else. Okay? You can observe your locality and give the answer. The bridge is near in my house. The bridge is over water. This bridge, who all use the bridge? This bridge is used by all types of vehicles to cross the river. Does the bridge seems to be old or it is new? No, it is not very old. Find out what material are used in making this bridge. List some them. The bridge is of cement made by is cement, iron and brick. Now I have shown you a picture of bridge. You can draw in your notebook. Imagine what difficulties there would be if bridge was not there. If there was no bridge over the river, people would have crossed the river by boat to reach their places. This would have consumed more time. Naturally, if we cross the river by the boat, it will consume more time. Let us find out some other ways by which children go to school. Bus, auto, car, etc. This is the picture of Vallam. It is mainly used in Kerala. Vallam is a small wooden boat to reach school. Okay, this is another picture of Vallam. I will show you a video of Vallam. Have you seen any other kind of boat? Yes, fishing boat, sailing boat. Can you think of other ways by which we can travel on water? Water scooter, steamer, raft, etc. Okay, I will show you the picture.
Children, do you know what is Vallam? Vallam is a small wooden boat. It is used by the students of Kerala to reach to their school.
Yes, I will show where is Kerala. Here, the Kerala. Okay, in the map of India, we will show another state, Kerala. Now, this is camel cart. Where it is used? Yes, you know it is mainly used in Rajasthan. They live in the desert. There is sand all around. That means all around the sand, it gets very hot in the day. They ride in a camel cart to reach school. I will show the video of camel cart. Just watch. Yes, it is camel cart. Where is Rajasthan? I will again show in the India map, the map of India. Here is Rajasthan. Okay. It is bullock cart. Some students ride in our bullock carts going slowly through the green fields. If it is too sunny or raining, they use their umbrellas. That is mainly used in village in the plain. I will show a video of camel cart also. Do you have bullock cart where you live? Yes, there are very few bullock cart in our area. Does it have a roof? Yes, it has roof. I will show the picture. It has roof. Okay, it has roof. What kind of wheels do they have? They have wooden wheels with iron rims. Make a drawing of the cart in your notebook. Okay, I will show bullock cart. Yes, it is but in this picture is no. Bicycle ride. Some students, they used to go to school by bicycle. On the long road to school, at first, girls there did not go to school because their school was too far. But now, group of 7 to 8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. Yes, it is the picture of Jugaad. It is the picture of Jugaad. It is mainly used in Gujarat. Okay. It is the special transport. It sounds like fat, fat, fat. Okay. When it runs, it is not something special. The front looks like a motorcycle. Yes, like a motorcycle. But the carrying of the back is made out of plank of wood. Okay, that is Jugaad. Another picture of Jugaad. Do you have such vehicles in your area? No, this type of vehicles are not there in my area. What do you call them in your area? We call them as share auto. We are using in this place, we are using share auto. Would you like to ride in something like this? Why? Yes, I had loved to, as it was so fun. I will show the video of Jugaad. I will show again in India's map. Which state? Yes, tell me. Gujarat. Yes, here is Gujarat. Okay. Now, some students to go through a thick forest to reach school. You just think it's too difficult to go reach at some place. It's so thick that even sunlight does not pass through. It is also very silent there. You can only hear the sounds of different birds and other creatures. I will show another picture of, yes, this is the another picture of thick forest. Moving on the snow. See how some students reach to school by moving on the snow. They go to school through miles of snow. They hold hands to walk carefully. If the snow is soft, their feet sink into it. When the snow is frozen, they may slip and fall. Do you think that such places have snow all the time? Do you think? And why? No, such places don't have snow all the time. It is during the winters that these places are covered with snow due to low temperature during the summer season. During the summer season, the snow melts as temperature gets higher. That means their temperature is higher and it will melt snow. Yes, this is the picture of snow. You just watch how their feet sinks into it. Yes, just see how their feet sinks into it in snow. Okay, and if the snow is frozen,
Glad someone's got cameras out.
Yeah, seriously.
Check this out. Crazy, huh? I'm in the video.
yes. Now, Uttarakhand. This is the picture of Uttarakhand. Some students live in the mountain. The paths are rocky. You just watch. The paths are rocky and uneven. That means the paths are not even. Who lives in the plain will find it difficult to walk. That means we confirm we are facing, if we will go there, we will confirm facing the difficulties because the paths are uneven. But we can easily race up, but these students they can easily race up and down because they are habituate. I will show another picture of Uttarakhand. Yes, you just watch how they will go to school. That is too difficult. You just watch, it is too difficult. They maybe fall also. Uttarakhand. You can just show where is Uttarakhand. Yes, here is Uttarakhand. Okay, in India's map, here is Uttarakhand. Do you face difficulties on the way to your school? No. I don't face any difficulties on the way to my school. Which is the best month in which you like to go to school? And why? Yes. Let's think and ask. I will give you answer. December is the month when I like to go to school as the weather would be cold. Also various celebrations like Christmas, New Year are held in our school during this month. Moreover, the month ends with the beginning of our winter holidays. That's why we are happy. Activities in which you are enjoying the school. What type of activities you are enjoying in the school? Yes, you are enjoying the school with drawing, sometime in sports, reading, dancing, community lunch, various CCA activities, scout guide activities. There are so many activities in which we are enjoying in the school. Okay. Nowadays, we miss all these activities. You can say, stay home, stay safe. Okay. After some time, we will start again our daily activities again. Okay. Now, this is the question for you. Draw a picture of dream school and write about it. This is the picture of dream school. All of you have a dream school? Yes? Just think. Let's think. What type of school you want? Yes? Some students think there is no study and they are only enjoying, but it is not possible. Sometimes my dream school has a nice building. It has garden in the front. It also has a playground. There should be proper facilities of drinking water and toilet. It is too much necessary thing that the proper facilities of drinking water and toilets. There should be lots of books in the school library. That is dream school. And draw also. You have to